Welcome everyone. Our today's topic is a Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, a Venn diagram is a representation method for all possible relation that can exist between given group of elements in single figure. In the Venn diagram, we will discuss on these two topics. The first one is identification of relation based Venn diagram and analysis based Venn diagram. In the first, the identification of relation based Venn diagram, to understand better, there is an example on this topic. Which one of the following diagram best depicts the relationship between Meerut and Uttar Pradesh? It means what is the relationship between the Meerut and Uttar Pradesh? So these are the diagrams by which we can show the relationship between Meerut and Uttar Pradesh. So here in this, the third option, we can say that Meerut is a city of Uttar Pradesh. It means Meerut exists completely in Uttar Pradesh. This relation can be expressed as a given option in C. So here we can say that if we take this the first, here Uttar Pradesh and Meerut are different. It means Meerut is not completely in the Uttar Pradesh. In this, the little part or the some part of the Meerut is in the Uttar Pradesh, but in the third option, completely we can say that Meerut is in the completely in the Uttar Pradesh. One more example on this topic, that is which of the following diagram best depicts the relationship between females, mothers, and sisters. So here these are the four options by which we can show the relationship between females, mothers, and sisters. So here these are the three classes: female, mother, and sister. And we know that mothers and sister both are females. It means we can take this one, in which mothers and females are completely in females. Mothers and sisters are completely in the females. But one more relationship is also there between sisters and mothers. It means what is that? We can say that the mothers can be sisters also. It means if any female is there and that female is a mother, but she can be sister of another person who can be a male person or who can be a female person. So mothers can be also sisters also. So here we will take the fourth option. Like this, we can represent the relationship between mothers, sisters, and females. To understand this better, we can take one more example on this topic. That is, we have to find out the relationship between professor, author, and infants. It means we can say that the professors can be also authors, but infants cannot be professors and authors, because in fact infants class is the very small age of a human being. It means here by the fourth option we can represent professor and authors, and this is the infants, which is the totally different class to professors and authors. This is the second type, analysis based Venn diagram. In the analysis based Venn diagram, this is the diagram in which rectangle shows directors, triangle shows actors, and circle shows producers. It means in the rectangle the quantity is 2, 5, 7, 4. These are representing that they all are the directors. But in these directors, some of the directors are producer, some of the directors are actors, and some of the directors are both actors and producers. It means clearly from here, region 1, it means this region is showing that these are only the actors. Region 2 represents only directors. It means in this area or in this region, these are all only directors, not the producers and not the actors. And region 3 is representing only producers. Region 4, this is the region 4, in which is showing that this region, in this regions the persons are directors also and actors also. It means who are directors, who are actors and directors but not producers. It means in this these are not producers. In the region 5 we clearly can say that these persons are directors and producers but not actors. Region 6 in this also we can say that these are the actors and producers but these are not directors. And region 7 is showing that this in this region these persons are directors, are actors and are producers. That's why it is called a analysis based Venn diagram. It means this is based on the quantity. To understand this we are taking an example on this type, that is which number represents educated women who are in government jobs. So first what we will do, we will identify or we will analyze this diagram. In this we can say that the triangle is showing that persons who are in the government service. The square is showing that in this region women are there only. In the circle this is representing that these are the educated persons, and the rectangular is showing that these persons are in the private sector. We have to find out educated women. It means we know that these are the educated person and these are women. It means this region is showing, in this region the circle and the square, that portion which is under circle and square, in this region these are educated women but some more women are also there. First what we will check, we will check that in this region these are the educated women, and with this we have to find out that in the government jobs. It means we will check that which is the region in which women also there, educated person are also there, and person in the government service also there. So it means here that 3, here the 3 is the portion in which women also, that is educated person are also, and government service is also there. So it means second option is the correct option. One more question on this that is which number represents the uneducated women. Uneducated women, it means that person who are outside of this circle, that are totally uneducated persons, and all the educated persons are in the circle. So it means if we read this educated women, the educated women are only 1 and 4, and with 1, 4 and 9, these are uneducated women. But with this we have to find out who have government jobs as well as in the private sector. It means the women must be uneducated but these are in the government sector also and in the private sector also. So in this, if we focus on all these conditions, that time 1, 4, 9 are uneducated women. But in this 1 is showing only women, only uneducated women. 4 is showing that women who are uneducated but in the government service only, not in the private sector. But 9 is that region in which these are women, these are uneducated women, these are in the government service and these are in also private sector. It means fourth option is the correct option. So here we can see the answer also. One more example on this number 10 represents. It means we will check that this region 10, what is showing this region 10. So it means to focus on these options, first we can see here also that in this 10 these are not women, these are the male persons, because out of the women criteria there are the male persons. So this 10 is showing that these are educated men who are in the government service as well as in the private sector. So here we can see that educated women in private jobs, wrong. Uneducated men in government jobs, wrong, because these are the educated men working in private sector only, No, because they are working in a government service also. Educated men having private as well as government jobs. It means this is the fourth option is the correct option. One more example we can see. Number 2 represents this number 2, what this number 2 is representing. So here we can see clearly that these are women and these are educated women, but these are not these are neither in the government service nor in the private sector. So according to this we can check these educated women who neither have government jobs nor have private jobs. The first option is the correct option, because we know that these are the women who are educated, but these are neither in the government service and nor in the private sector. So option first is the correct option. So I hope you can you are getting better by this video, the Venn diagram topic. Thank you.